Pepper grinder, a spice of language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic in the English language, the term pepper grinder. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's a part of our culinary vocabulary. Let's explore what it means, its uses, and some fun facts. Get ready to spice up your English skills. A pepper grinder is a small device used to grind peppercorns into fresh pepper, a common seasoning in many cuisines. It usually consists of two parts, a container for the peppercorns and a grinding mechanism. The interesting thing about pepper grinders is how they've become a symbol of freshness and quality in cooking. In English, we often use kitchen tools like the pepper grinder to describe actions or qualities in a metaphorical way. For instance, grinding away can mean working hard on something. The pepper grinder, specifically, isn't used as widely in metaphors, but it's a great example of everyday language in the context of cooking and dining. The pepper grinder holds a special place in culinary culture. It's often associated with gourmet dining and fine restaurants. This association can help English learners understand cultural references in conversations about dining or cooking shows. Let's look at some example sentences. Could you pass the pepper grinder? I'd like some fresh pepper on my salad. In this recipe, using a pepper grinder will enhance the flavor. These examples show the practical use of the term in everyday conversation. Did you know that the use of pepper grinders became popular in the 20th century? Before that, pepper was often ground in more manual ways or used whole. This bit of history can make learning the term more interesting and memorable. I hope you found this exploration of the term pepper grinder both informative and enjoyable. Remember, learning English is not just about words, it's about culture, history, and the little details of daily life. Keep grinding away at your English learning journey, and you'll surely savor the results. See you in the next video.